guys, welcome back. Do you remember, I guess it's been a while ago, we opened a Moriah, Elizabeth and mystery box, and we got this cute little plushie. It's so soft. Moriah Elizabeth plushies are just, they're so soft. Well, I hope you remember that because dun 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 dun. I found two more. Now, this one I found on clearance at Walmart. These two I actually found at Dollarama, and they were a lot less than this one. But they've been clearance out to Dollarama. So these are series 2. I'm assuming it's the same. Maybe it's not, because you know what? Maybe it's not. Mini dessert plushie but she's a dessert plushie. She's the cupcake. I don't know. You know what? Maybe these are different series. I may have to go. You know what? I may have to go back because these are a different series. I thought these were the same ones, but she is not on this box anywhere. Okay, well, now that I've went off on a little bit, let's go right back to it. So I have this one and I found these two. Yay! And I wanted to open them with you because these are just, I wish you could feel. They are so soft. There is her signature and they're just so cute. And these are based off of creations that she's made out of her squishies. So let's go into them. These ones say mini dessert plush. I don't remember if the other one said mini dessert plush, but I mean, she is a dessert, so maybe, I don't know. But something important to note, when I opened this one, I actually said, is it supposed to be an open box or is there supposed to be a plastic seal? Well, apparently there is supposed to be a plastic seal because these two are sealed. There is Georgie, and these were the ice cream cats. I remember watching her videos on these. Maybe the sibling, because I know she does matching sets. I don't know. Look at the panda. But I don't know. Are they the same? I'm pretty sure I recognize the panda, but it has been a while. So maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But we got series 2, and we have our OG. I did not bring scissors. Okay. I didn't bring scissors with me. How did I not bring scissors? All right. Well, I have a marker that we can use to cut plastic if needed. But I think we should how hard can it be? There. It's not hard. Look at that. I don't need scissors. Let's just go right into this. Just makes me wonder now, it's actually kind of hard to open. Was this one, did someone open the ones in the store and pick the plushie they want and just shove this in a random box? Maybe the box said series 2, but she was part of series 1 because they did have a whole bunch. And this just says Moriah Elizabeth Mystery Plush 2. And this one does too. I'm hoping, this is the barcode to pay. This says 08212, 08212. I hope we don't get the same ones. Wouldn't that be funny, though, out of all of them? Okay, yeah, this is actually harder than I thought. Okay. Someone took some time when they opened up the box in the store. Okay, we got it off. Ready? Dun, dun, dun. Mini mystery plush from Moriah Elizabeth. I couldn't get the box open. Okay. Really? Okay. I think we just pop that lid open and see. I don't think it's wrapped in anything. Ooh, the unboxing experience is nice. It's the cat. Oh my gosh. I remember when she did the video. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's his cherries right there on the box. Oh my goodness. His tail. Oh my gosh. I am keeping these. Moriah, I am going to tag you, but I know I am such a small creator. I love these. Thank you so much. I have watched you for so long. Okay, here we have the pamphlet. And they are different series, I think. Because what's inside series 2, collect them all. And there's Georgie, Derp, Pickle, Shelly, Neela. There is Eustace. Oh, Eustace. Scoopy, Sprinkle Panda, and Cupie. And she's not her. She's a different color. So she must be from series 1? I don't know. This special variation features a chocolate Cupie. So she might be series 1, and then this is series 2. Do you guys remember, if you watch Moriah Elizabeth, she did the shoes with Eustace and Shelly? I love it. The mint chocolate chip ice cream. Moriah. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Does it say the name? It doesn't say the name of the plushie on the tag. That would have been one step elevated. I love this. I love the pamphlet. Okay, we've got Eustace. So I would love Sprinkle Panda, Shelly. Neela was the one that she had. Oh, I remember watching Neela too when she made Neela. That's a donut, but it was like a pool ring. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love these. I don't even know what you would use these for other than being an adult toy collector. These are amazing. Honestly, I love them all. I may have to go back and get more of these. I'm so excited. I can't believe. Does it say on the tag? Like, it doesn't say. You know what? Oh, look at the difference. I'm throwing my toys. Okay. This one has the Moriah Elizabeth logo that says me. And this one has it written out. So these are 2 different series. This one, see, Moriah Elizabeth. This one, me, for Moriah Elizabeth. They are different. So somehow, okay. So Walmart, Dollarama, I'm wondering, was she series 3 and she was series 2? Because things that end up in Dollarama tend to be older stock. So why would this be 2 and this be 1? Unless they were both and I just didn't notice. But we got Eustace. Okay. You know what? I guess we could figure that out after. Right now, we have some really amazing plushies to open. Let's open the next one. Maybe it was easier if I should have just brought scissors. Okay. There we go. Peel it that way. Peel it that way. Look at that. I'm getting so much better at opening things. Okay. I am going to move 1 and 2. I love it. I am so happy. I remember when she did the shoes and when she made the cats and when she did the squishies. Moriah Elizabeth. Does this have a year on it? Made in China. Does Bonkers Toys. New Mattel. It doesn't have introducing all new dessert themes. They don't have a year. I am going to have to go back and see. I really am going to have to go back and see. Okay. I might be getting better at opening packaging, but I'm really not that great. Let's get it open. The mystery plush. Please don't be a duplicate. Okay, it's got dark green. It's got dark green. Did we get Pickle? Oh, Pickle the dinosaur and a cupcake. Oh, that might be it because I see dark green. Okay, I'm not disappointed because I do want them all. I love them all. I want them all. I was hoping for Neela or the panda or Shelly, but we got Eustace and I think we're going to get Pickle. Pickle the dinosaur was one of her original creations, I believe. I am so excited. Okay. All right. Let's open it. Let's open it. I think it is Pickle. Is it Pickle? Is it Pickle the cupcake? It is Pickle the cupcake. Okay. I keep opening the boxes upside down. I do not know what to tell you. I am sorry. Let's get them out. Oh, they're memory foam. If you could just feel the softness. I love them. So we have Pickle the dinosaur, and I just noticed this. Okay, I'm so excited now. They all have one thing in common. Even though they are from 2 different series, they all have fruit. So Eustace has the cherry with the string. She has the cherry with the felt, Mrs. Cupie. And this one has Pickle the dinosaur has the cherry with fruit, but they're all different. They're all different cherries. All right. I'm so excited. I love these. I love watching Moriah Elizabeth. I love that she partners with other art creators, and she's just all around a wonderful YouTuber. I am so excited for these. Eustace, Pickle as a cupcake, and Cupie, the original. And remember, when you go back to look at her videos, she also dressed up as this. She had the pink wig. She put the cherry. It was a cheap plastic wig. It was amazing content. So thank you, Moriah Elizabeth, for making this content that we can all enjoy. And thank you everyone for following me. I know I'm such a small creator when you compare, but we get to do fun things like open these. This was not sponsored at all by Moriah Elizabeth. I did purchase these on my own. I don't know why I need to throw that in there just in case someone thinks of something, but I love them. I'm going to keep all of these. Let me know which ones are your favorite. I am going to put them in order of mine. Ready? Which order? Okay. Number 1, just because I love Eustace so much. I love them. I think I just gave it away with, is it pink or is it green? It's going to be pink is number 2. My OG little squishy, little plushie squishy is number 2, followed by Pickle the cupcake, because I just love these two more. And that way, I have a mint green and green. I have green on each end, yet I have rainbow sprinkles on these two. And I just noticed that. Look at on the wrapper of the cupcake. Oh, these are so soft. Guys, if you see these and you have anyone who follows Moriah Elizabeth, make sure you grab these if you see these at your local dollar store or even your Walmart. I am so excited I have these. That is it for me for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any of these, if you have seen these, which ones are your favorite. And that's it. Thank you so much, and I will see you all next week. Bye, everyone.